Namaste. Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. For today's quiz, I will first play a short animated video called Maya's Day. And as the video is playing, various activities and events of Maya's Day will be narrated in Hindi and Hindi only. Once the movie is done, I will ask you 14 questions based on the movie. All questions are multiple choice. And once done with a question, I will also explain the remaining two choices. There are three types of questions. First type is where you will be given a Hindi word used in the movie and you will be asked its meaning in English. Second will be fill in the blank questions. And finally, for the third part, you will be asked questions in Hindi and answer choices will also be in Hindi. As always, you will get some time to think over your answer, for which there will be a timer at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are done with the quiz, do let me know in the comment section how many of your answers were correct. Now before we start, please subscribe to my channel and after this video, check out my other videos. If you would like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like this video. Let's watch.
माया का दिन। माया प्रतिदिन सुबह 5:30 बजे उठती है। वह आधे घंटे में तैयार हो जाती है। फिर वह अपने घर के पास वाले बगीचे में जाती है। वहां उसके कई मित्र भी आते हैं। हर सुबह वे लगभग 1 घंटा योग अभ्यास करते हैं। अभ्यास पूरा होने के बाद माया कुछ देर अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातचीत करती है। फिर 7:45 बजे वह घर वापस आ जाती है। घर पर वह और उसका पति मिलकर नाश्ता बनाते और खाते हैं। 8:30 बजे माया काम के लिए निकलती है। उसे अपने कार्यालय पहुंचने में 15 मिनट लगते हैं। सुबह 9 से शाम 6 बजे तक माया कार्यालय में काम करती है। बीच में 1:30 बजे वह दिन का खाना खाती है। शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है और फिर दोनों साथ साथ वापस घर आते हैं।
Now that you have watched the movie, let's start the quiz. First, you will be given a Hindi word used in the movie and you will be asked its meaning in English. The first word is Pratidin and your choices are day, everyday or evening. And your timer starts now. And the correct answer is every day. Pratidin is every day. Day is din. And evening is sham. The next word is kai. And the choices are A, many, B, some, or C, all. The correct answer is many. Kai means many. Some is kuch in Hindi and all is sab. The third word is abhyas. Practice, exercise or friend. And the right answer is practice. Abhyas means practice in English. Exercise is vyayam and friend is either dost or mitra. They are synonyms. The fourth word is vah. He, I, or she. And the correct answers are he and she. This was a trick question because vah stands for both he and she. In the movie that you watched, it stood for she because we were talking about Maya, but it can also mean he depending on the context. And I is main in Hindi. The fifth word is phir, and the choices are A, this, B, when, and C, then. And the correct answer is then. Then is phir in Hindi. This is yeh, and when is kab. Next is the word nashta. A, breakfast, B, lunch, C, dinner. And the right answer is A, breakfast. Nashta is breakfast. Lunch is din ka khana. It is sometimes also called dopahar ka khana. Din is day, khana is food. So lunch is din ka khana. And dinner is raat ka khana. Again, khana is food and raat is night. So dinner is raat ka khana. Next, we have fill in the blank questions. So the first one is शाम को माया अपने डैश के साथ घर वापस आती है. Let me repeat it one more time. शाम को माया अपने डैश के साथ घर वापस आती है. A, भाई, B, पति, C, पिता. And the correct answer is B, pati, which means husband. शाम को माया अपने पति के साथ घर वापस आती है, which means in the evening Maya comes home with her husband. Bhai is brother and pita is father. Next sentence is माया और उसके मित्र डैश में योग अभ्यास करते हैं. माया और उसके मित्र डैश में योग अभ्यास करते हैं. A, बगीचे, B, घर और C, दुकान. And the correct answer is A, बगीचे. माया और उसके मित्र बगीचे में योग अभ्यास करते हैं. बगीचा is garden. So this sentence means Maya and her friends practice yoga in the garden. घर is home and दुकान is shop. Next is माया डैश बजे काम के लिए निकलती है. माया डैश बजे काम के लिए निकलती है. A 4:30, B 8:30 और C 5:30. The correct answer is 8:30, 8:30. माया 8:30 बजे काम के लिए निकलती है. Which in English means Maya leaves for work at 8:30. 4:30 is 4:30 and 5:30 is 5:30. Next is माया सुबह डैश से शाम डैश तक कार्यालय में काम करती है. माया सुबह डैश से शाम डैश तक कार्यालय में काम करती है. A 10, 5, B 9, 6, C 8, 7. And the correct answer is 9, 6, which is 9 and 6. माया सुबह 9 से शाम 6 तक कार्यालय में काम करती है. 10 and 5 is 10 and 5. 8 and 7 is 8 and 7. शाम को माया डैश अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है. शाम को माया डैश अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है. A बाद में, B पहले, C साथ साथ. The correct answer is B पहले, which means first. शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है. Which means in the evening Maya first goes to her husband's office. बाद में means later. साथ साथ means together. Now I will ask question in Hindi and the answer choices are also in Hindi. And the first question is माया सुबह कितने बजे उठती है? माया सुबह कितने बजे उठती है? And your choices are 8:30, 3:30 और 5:30. And the correct answer is C 5:30, which is 5:30. The question was Maya सुबह कितने बजे उठती है? At what time does Maya get up in the morning? And the answer is 5:30. 8:30 is 8:30 and 3:30 is 3:30. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज माया कितने बजे दिन का खाना खाती है? माया कितने बजे दिन का खाना खाती है? ए 2:30, बी 1:30 और सी 3. And the right answer is B 1:30, which is 1:30. The question is माया कितने बजे दिन का खाना खाती है? At what time does Maya eat her lunch? And the correct answer is at 1:30. 2:30 is 2:30 and 3 is 3. And the last question is माया को सुबह तैयार होने में कितना समय लगता है? माया को सुबह तैयार होने में कितना समय लगता है? 1 घंटा, आधा घंटा, 10 मिनट. The correct answer is आधा घंटा, which is half hour. The question was माया को सुबह तैयार होने में कितना समय लगता है? How much time does it take Maya to get ready in the morning? And the correct answer is half hour. 1 घंटा is 1 hour and 10 minute is 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this quiz. And if you would like to learn sentence by sentence translation of the movie that you watched today, check out my video, Maya's Day, an animated short story in Hindi. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification when a new video is posted.